Instagram is a powerful marketing channel, but that single link in your bio can feel pretty limiting. You want to share your latest blog post, promote a sale, and direct people to your website all at once. That's where a Lnk.Bio Instagram tool saves the day. In this video, we'll look at the 9 best Lnk.Bio Instagram tools that influencers love to use. Number 1 is SeedProd, and it's a powerful WordPress plugin known for its easy-to-use drag-and-drop website builder. This lets you create custom WordPress themes without needing any coding skills. While SeedProd doesn't have a specific bio link tool, you can quickly adapt one of their pre-made landing page templates to use as your Instagram link in bio page. These take seconds to set up with its drag and drop editor, giving you complete control of your page's appearance. With its easy social icon block, you can promote any social media platform on your page, including LinkedIn, TikTok, and more. The RafflePress block lets you run exciting bio giveaways from your Instagram bio link page. Because the page lives on your WordPress website, it's a great way to drive traffic directly back to your main website. SeedProd is a fantastic choice for WordPress users who want complete control over the design of their link in bio page, plus the potential to drive Instagram users to their main website. The pricing is free, there is a free version, or from $39 and $50 per year. Number 2 is Linktree. It's one of the most popular link in bio tools out there. It's known for being simple and easy to set up, allowing you to create a single link for all social media platforms. It also offers a free basic plan, perfect if you need a quick solution without any hassle. After creating a custom URL, you can have your Linktree page ready in minutes. While you might find the design options slightly limited compared to other tools, Linktree still lets you change color and fonts and add a background image. You can even pre-schedule for extra flexibility when links appear on your page. If you upgrade to a paid plan, you'll also get access to analytics to track clicks and understand your audience better. Linktree is a solid choice for individuals and businesses who want a simple, free, no-fuss solution. It does the job well if you only need a basic page to list your links. The pricing starts at free or from $6 per month. Number 3 is Shorby. It's a popular link in bio tool that does more than just list your links. It's great for promoting content, connecting with your audience on social media, and gathering data for targeted audiences. You can make your links more engaging by adding eye-catching thumbnails and descriptions. You can even include links to messaging platforms like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. If you're a marketer, Shorby's retargeting pixels help you track visitors for targeted ads. Its dynamic feeds keep your page fresh by pulling content from your blog or YouTube channel. You can personalize your page by changing the colors, backgrounds, and fonts to match your brand. The pricing is free or from $12 per month. Number 4 is Lnk.Bio. Simple, affordable, and user-friendly link in bio solution. If you need something easy to use and don't need a lot of bells and whistles, it could be a perfect fit. It's straightforward to set up and includes unlimited links. It also allows Instagram post thumbnails to make your links stand out and basic metrics to track clicks and page views. You can add a personal touch by changing colors and fonts. It even generates a QR code so people can access your page offline. The pricing is free from 99 cents per month or a one-time lifetime purchase option. Number 5 is Linkin.bio from Ladder. It's a popular social media marketing platform. It's designed to create a seamless connection between your Instagram feed and your link in bio page. With this tool, you can turn social media posts into clickable links. This sends people to specific websites, products, or other destinations. It even lets you tag products within your images, making posts shoppable, which is ideal for online stores. Basic customization options allow you to adjust colors and fonts, plus existing users get analytics that offer insights into your overall social media performance. You can also connect to email marketing platforms like MailChimp. The pricing is free or $16 per month. Number 6 is Milkshake. This stands out with its unique card-based interface and focus on mobile-first design. Imagine building a mini bio site with Instagram stories using a stack of sweepable cards, and you've got the idea behind Milkshake. This approach creates a distinct and engaging link in bio experience, particularly well-suited for mobile users. Milkshake offers several card types, letting you share links, text blocks, videos, contact forms, and even embed content from other platforms. You can customize the colors, fonts, and background images to personalize your page. You can even get insights into your audience by tracking views and link clicks. The pricing is free with limitations or from $2.99 per month. Number 7 is Tap.bio, and it focuses on flexibility with its modular card-based system. This allows you to create a link in bio page that reflects your brand while offering various content options. You can arrange cards with links, images, YouTube video embeds, contact forms, and text blocks to show the information most important to you. Tap.bio also provides options to adjust colors, fonts, layout, and even add your logo. If you manage multiple accounts, you'll appreciate Tap.bio's ability to create link in bio pages for each. Analytics also help you refine your content strategy by tracking views and clicks. The pricing is free with limitations or from $3 per month. Number 8 is Campsite, and it focuses on affordability and simplicity, making it ideal if you need a clean and functional Linkin.Bio solution. Its interface is easy to use, and its pricing structure is designed to be accessible. You can easily add links and customize their titles for easy presentation. You can inject personality into your page by modifying colors and fonts and adding social media icons. Campsite even provides basic link stats to track clicks and page views. To access greater customization, design control, and analytics, you'll need a paid Campsite Pro plan. The pricing for Campsite is free with limitations or from $7 per month. And number 9 is Beacons. It's an all-in-one Linkin.Bio tool that goes beyond aggregating links. With its wide range of features, it's a comprehensive platform for social media integration, content creation, and monetization. You can build a rich, multifaceted Linkin.Bio page using content blocks like links, text, images, videos, embeds, contact forms, and even audio files. You can personalize your page's look by adjusting layouts, colors, backgrounds, and fonts. Beacons easily connects to other social media profiles like Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. It even has monetization tools like tipping, product sales, memberships, and gated content to earn revenue directly from your page. Track traffic and perform data through analytics to optimize your content and get insights into your audience. The pricing is free with limitations or from $8 per month. If you'd like to learn more about each one of these tools and go into more details and how to choose the right Linkin.Bio Instagram tool, check the link in the description below for the article on the RafflePress website. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out these videos to learn more about RafflePress.